Imagine the universe as a vast city, where galaxies aren't just floating stars but are shaped by their neighborhoods, growing faster in solitude or slowing down in cosmic traffic jams. It's a revelation that's flipping our understanding of galactic life upside down. A groundbreaking survey just published its first insights, showing how a galaxy's cosmic address plays a huge role in its development. This comes from the Australia-based International Centre for Radio Astronomy Research, ICRAR, specifically through their Deep Extragalactic Visible Legacy Survey, or DEVILS for short. DEVILS is like a deep dive into the universe's archives, using radio telescopes to peer back billions of years and capture detailed images of galaxies far away. Their latest data release, along with a batch of new studies, is giving us unprecedented clarity on how these distant stellar communities evolve. The core discovery? The environment where a galaxy resides can dramatically affect its form, dimensions, and pace of expansion in the ancient universe. Think of it this way. Just as people in bustling urban centers might adopt faster-paced, more competitive lifestyles compared to those in quiet rural areas, galaxies follow suit. Associate Professor Luke Davies, who leads the project at the University of Western Australia's ICRAR node, puts it poetically. Someone who has lived their whole life in the city may have a very different personality compared to someone who lives remotely or in an isolated community. Galaxies are no different. But here's where it gets controversial. Galaxies huddled in densely packed regions, akin to the busy hubs of the cosmos, tend to mature at a snail's pace and develop structures that contrast sharply with those in lonelier spots. These crowded environments spark intense interactions among galaxies, where they vie for essential building blocks like gas needed to forge new stars and expand. This rivalry can stifle star formation, essentially putting a brake on growth and even hastening some galaxies' demise by depleting their resources prematurely. To make this clearer for beginners, picture a star as a newborn baby requiring fuel, gas, to grow into a healthy adult. In isolation, a galaxy might have plenty of this fuel, leading to robust star production and steady expansion. But in a crowded neighborhood, multiple galaxies are competing for the same limited supplies. It's like a neighborhood block party where everyone fights over the last slice of pizza, leaving some hungry and underdeveloped. Davies elaborates that these dynamics not only slow down the process of creating stars but can also lead to galaxies dying earlier than their isolated peers, perhaps through mergers or exhaustion. And this is the part most people miss. While we've long known environments matter on Earth, applying this to the cosmos raises intriguing questions about whether the universe operates like a grand natural selection experiment. Do crowded galaxies represent a survival of the fittest scenario, where only the strongest thrive, or is isolation the true path to longevity? What do you think? Does this make you wonder if our own Milky Way's future is tied to its cosmic companions? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that environment dictates destiny? Or is there more to galactic evolution than just location? And here's a spicy twist. Could human societies draw lessons from galaxies, with crowded cities leading to burnout just like these stellar slowdowns? We'd love to hear your take.